channel Gandhi's Recipe House. Today we are going to make a very famous dish named Paneer Bhurji. Are you guys ready to cook with me? Let's get started. So these are the ingredients to make Paneer Bhurji. The first and the main ingredient would be paneer, and this is how I made it. Here are chopped 1½ onions, 3 chopped tomatoes, 1 bell pepper, that is capsicum, ½ teaspoon of ginger paste. You can take about 1 teaspoon of it, 1 tablespoon garlic minced, salt taste according to taste, but you can also take about ½ tablespoon of it. I've taken about 4 to 5 leaves of coriander, ½ teaspoon of kasturi methi, 2 spring onions, 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use ghee if you want to make it healthy, and you can also substitute it with oil, ½ tablespoon of garam masala, and 2 green chilies, that is serrano pepper. Turn on the gas on a medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add butter, now add garlic and ginger paste. Stir for about 30 seconds or till butter melts. Now add chopped green chilies, there is serrano pepper. Stir for about a minute till the raw smell of all 3 ingredients goes away. Keep on stirring so that the ingredients don't get stuck to the bottom. Let's add chopped onions. And saute it till it gets slightly brown, as caramelized onions taste really good and adds a flavor to the food. As you can see now, it's changing its color. I'll go ahead and add finely chopped bell pepper, I'll saute it for about a minute, and then I will add tomatoes to it. Now I will add tomatoes. Along with diced tomatoes, let's add all the spices, that is garam masala and salt. At this time you can also add sugar or ketchup to balance the sourness tomato has. Let the mixture cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now if you like spicy food, you can also add red chili powder Let's go ahead and add spring onions. I am going to add about half to 1 cup of water. And stir it again for about a minute. Now I'm going to add the paneer I've made. So crumble the paneer with your hand and add it. I have mixed it properly, and now I'm going to take kasturi methi in between my two palms, and I'm going to add it like this so that it gives a proper flavor of kasturi methi to your food. And again, after mixing it, I am going to add chopped coriander and mix it. Reduce the heat to a medium flame and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm turning off the flame as my paneer bhurji is ready to be served. So our paneer bhurji is ready. I have garnished here with coriander leaves and spring onions. You can serve it with naan, roti, rice, bun, pav, anything you like to eat. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please do like, share and also subscribe to my channel Gandhi's Recipe House. Thank you.